Hello good dear viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this simple exponential equation, and the equation is x to the power of x plus 4 equal to the cube root of x. I'm going to apply logarithm in solving this problem. Alright, let's get started. Let me rewrite cube root of x as x to the power of 1 divided by 3. So we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the left, and this is equal to x to the power of 1 divided by 3. And from here we can take log of both sides. We have log of x to the power of x plus 4. This is equal to log of x to the power of 1 divided by 3. And from one of the laws of logarithm, these powers can drop down to multiply. So we have to the left as x plus 4 multiplied by log of x, and this is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by log of x. Now we can take this to the left hand side. We have to the left x plus 4 multiplied by log of x minus 1 divided by 3 multiplied by log of x, and this is equal to 0. You can see we have log of x in common, so we can factor it out. This becomes log of x multiplied by x plus 4 then minus 1 divided by 3 from this term, and the whole of this equal to 0. Now we have two factors. We are going to set each to be equal to 0. We have either log of x equal to 0 or x plus 4 minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 0. You know, naturally here we have base 10, right? And from definition, this 10 raised to the power of 0 is the same thing as x. So therefore, x is equal to 10 to the power of 0 and x equal to 1. This is one of the solutions. Let's solve the other one. But first of all, let me simplify this. You take 3 here, you multiply by 4, you have 12, you minus 1, you have 11. So this is the same thing as x plus 11 divided by 3 equal to 0. And if you take 11 divided by 3 to the other side, you have x equal to negative 11 divided by 3. And this is the second solution. But in each case, we are going to test them in the main equation. And the main equation is what? X raised to the power of x plus 4 equal to the cube root of x. So what if x is equal to 1? We have 1 to the power of 1 plus 4 to the left, and this is equal to the cube root of 1. To the left hand side, we have 1 to the power of 5, which is the same thing as 1. And to the other side, we have cube root of 1, which is also 1. And hence, since the left and the right hand side are exactly the same, we conclude that 1 is a solution. Now let us take negative 11 over 3. If x is negative 11 over 3, we have negative 11 over 3 to the left, raised to the power of negative 11 over 3, then plus 4. And this is equal to the cube root of negative 11 over 3. Let's simplify the left hand side and see whether it is the same thing as the right hand side. This exponent right here, negative 11 over 3 plus 4, is the same thing as 1 divided by 3, right? So this is negative 11 over 3 raised to the power of 1 divided by 3. This is equal to the cube root of negative 11 over 3. An exponent of 1 divided by 3 is the same thing as cube root of that base. Therefore, the left hand side is also the cube root of 11 over 3, which is the same thing as the cube root of negative 11 over 3. Though the left and the right hand side are exactly the same, which we can see right here, but according to some researchers, negative base, which is this one, can never take a fractional exponent. Why? Because if we take equivalent of this exponent, 1 divided by 3, remember 1 over 3, can be written as 2 over 6. So what if we have this negative 11 over 3 to the power of 2 over 6, which we know that it is the same thing as 1 over 3. This will give us what? The 6th root of negative 11 over 3 raised to the power of 2. And you know, if you are to simplify this, because 6 is even, you are going to get a complex solution or complex result. So going by that approach, we are going to discard this solution and consider only one as the valid solution. But observe this exponential equation. 0 is also a solution by guess and check. Just look at it. X to the power of x plus 4 equal to the cube root of x. What if x is 0? We have 0 to the power of 0 plus 4 equal to the cube root of 0, right? Left hand side we have 0 to the power of 0 plus 4 is 4, and cube root of 0 is 0. So you can clearly see that 0 to the power of 4 is 0, so 0 equal to 0, which means that 0 is also a solution. Therefore, the two valid solutions are x equal to 1 or x equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.